India continues under a lock and unlock phase. Unlock 1 continues. Today, India has over 2.84 lakh corona positive cases, and there have been about 8,000 deaths. Today, the Indian Council of Medical Research announced that they did a sero surveillance test in districts, which means the disease has still not spread far and wide into the community. Dr. Balram Bhargav, the Director General of the Indian Council of Medical Research, said, districts means that there is still a very large susceptible population and that India needs to continue to take measures for physical distancing, hand washing and hygiene. And that is probably the only way to try and contain the virus. The big question on the day 10 or 11 of the Unlock 1 is, how did China manage to do, which is to contain the number of cases to around about 84,000 cases and deaths to a little over 4,000. Somewhere, China managed to control the disease largely in one area, which is Wuhan, and in one province. When I quizzed Dr. V.K. Paul, the member health for Niti Aayog, he said the principle adopted between India and China for trying to contain the coronavirus remained the same. But somewhere, China did a better job of trying to control and contain the virus. Today, the virus is found in over 500 districts of India. And that's a very large number of districts which have reported the coronavirus. The Ministry of Health continues to say that there is no community spread of the virus. When it's present in more than 500 districts of the country, is that not present in the community? Is that not endemic in the country? Ministry of Health kind of differs on that particular opinion. But somewhere, the fight against the corona pandemic continues in a very big way, and India will have to fight this battle for a very long period of time. I'm standing at the India Gate. The lockdown had showed how clean air and blue skies were present at India Gate. Now that Unlock 1 is starting, the skies are turning a little grey. But still, the battle against corona continues. Mumbai and Delhi continue to be the epicenter of COVID-19 in India. Nobody is ready to say when will the pandemic peak in India. But everybody kind of agrees that there is still a long haul ahead. But what did China do correct and where did India fail? I think this is a question that will need to be asked again and again and again. Is the political dispensation which is different in China and India made the difference? Maybe. Maybe not. The battle against corona continues and India continues to struggle with the coronavirus pandemic. On June 11, 2020, at the India Gate in New Delhi, this is Pallav Bagla.